Just see if you can focus on the sound. Then have a guess at what you think it is. Ready? Here comes the first sound. So switch on your power listening now, and if you want to take it to the superpower level, close your eyes as well. Here we go. Did you get it? Let's listen one more time to double check. There. Did you get it? And did you notice if your mind started to think of anything else while you were listening? If you do notice this happening, see if you can just come back to the listening again. Let's try a new sound and see how you get on with this one. Oh, let's have it again. There we go. Could you tell what it is? Now, the next sound is ready. Can you guess what this one is? Let's have a quick repeat of it. And what about this one? And again. Now finally this one. And one more time. So, what did you think those sounds were? Could you guess using your power listening or your superpower listening? And did your mind stay on the sounds,